Hello, welcome back to the Broken Doll. Well, just to let you know, like you've seen this one being painted already. We can come up close on her. You can see she needs more coats of paint, of course. You see that white line, that bothers me, but we're going to try to see if I can get in a little bit closer. If not, her hair will come out a bit more. I'm going to hope I can get in there, but when you start going in that close, you are going to hit the roots. So how much do I go in? And that's what I got to really see about. So we'll see. But anyways, I got to do some more pinning of her hair up and everything before I tackle anything more on her. But anyways, I did paint the legs here. The legs are painted. They only first coat. You'll see that you can see some of the things, like some of the doll showing through. The composition, very typical for first coat, even through the second. It's the third, and sometimes you need a fourth coat. And that fourth coat is going to give you the volume that you're looking for, the richness and everything. So that's same with the head and everything. So you got to go around that head about 4 times. 3. Well, okay, I'm going to say 3. 3 can sometimes even give a beautiful richness as well. But anyways, I got to work on the fingers. I can't do the arms right now because I want to work on those fingers yet. But anyhow, she's coming. We're painting. We're doing something here. So I'm really pleased with how well this has turned out at this time. I mean, it's beginning. And it's not too bad. You know, it's not perfect. I don't know how, I've never painted one of these before. It's going to be one of those things of trial and error. And I got a second one to work on. So what I do on this one, I'll know what not to do, what to do. But so far, I'm pleased at this time. But anyways, we'll see where it takes me. But thank you for joining me. I hope this, shows you dolls can be difficult, especially ones with the embedded hair. So anyways, thank you for joining me. We'll be coming back again really soon with some updates on this. What I want to do is just work on these fingers on the doll. And it's the daylight that really shows me that there's more paint on the fingers, more than what I saw inside my shop. So thanks again for joining me. Just a small little video here. We'll be talking to you again really soon. Bye-bye.